Hello friends, today I am going to share with you my experience about selling. I remember I born in 1980 from a farmer's background family. So, and from childhood we are growing vegetables. And I remember I started selling vegetables from 7th standard. So it was in 1993 almost. And I went in the market and I was selling the vegetables and shouting about take the vegetables in my vernacular language, bhaji kya bhaji, like that. And one young lady was walking in front from me, and I just called her Ajji bhaji kya. It means in English. So I asked her as a grandma, and she was very young. So she looks me towards an angry eyes, and she looks in such a way. Then at that time I understand we have to understand our customer. We have to understand the demographic profile of the customer. And this was my first lesson about selling. We have to understand the customer. Secondly, same way I am selling so many types of vegetables. Then I realized that to attract the customer, I have to arrange my vegetables in such a way so that the first sight of the customer get attracted and they should come to my shop. So later on, these concepts comes. I read these concepts in the sale, that is point of purchase, your display counter. So this I learned with experience, and I came to know that if we make it more attractive, more visible, then the customer flow, the footfall of customer will going to increase. I remember when I was traveling with this bus, and there was a person who comes on the bus. It was around in 1995 or 94. In that days, when there were no internet much more, we have to just depend on the books, and there is no Google also. Google was there, but nobody using of these kinds of technology was not much more available. So the person came in the bus and he was just selling the books, but his selling skill was amazing. So how he was selling, so he came in the bus and it looked like a tuck tuck, giving a sign of these thin sheets of the bus. And once all these passengers sitting in the bus, around 50-55 passengers sitting in the bus, gets these kinds of voice, tuck tuck, gets attention. So to get an attention of an audience, he was using that noise. Secondly, he was starting his selling with questioning, and he was floating the questions in the vernacular language, like do you know why the women's are put bindi on their foreheads? So there are such a kinds of 5-6 questions where nobody knows the answers of this question he was asking in the bus. And surprisingly, there was no Google or to find out the answers, and nobody knows. And there are the people who are curious to buy these kinds of books. In the third stage, what he was doing, he was distributing that books amongst all the passengers in the bus. And he was saying, to see there is no need of money, just distributing the books to an entire bus. And in the way he was continuously saying these kinds of speech or communication skill he is doing. And the way he was talking about convincing of the people, that was amazing. And again I came to know the skills, communication skills of the sales people. Then the sales promotion. So he was saying that the cost of this book is just 10 rupees, but with this book, one more book is free. So the sales promotion also he was doing. And for watching, there is no, you have to not pay for watching. So gets a field trials. So sample trial. So like that, in today's you find 14 days free trial. So he was giving these 2-3 minutes as a free trial to read the books. And I am sure out of 50 passenger, minimum 5 to 10 passenger was buying these kinds of books. So that was, I learned these kinds of, the experience of selling in that days. So slowly, I understood how these professions, and when I, came in the market and when I read in the books, I started selling these kinds of, understanding these kinds of functions, and then, these becomes the stories. Then, later on I joined one sales company, and the role, my first role was an account management. Like in my previous video I told you, the initial role to collect the payments, then convincing the people about the product. Then slowly I understood we have to solve the problems of the customer rather than pitching the product or rather than forcing the products in the sales. So, why the people fails in the sales? That is one of the reason they had, they are trying to sell the products rather than understanding the need of the customer. Then I realized, even and when I talk something to my students, so I have to understand my students as the perspective, how they want to learn. So that is also one of the selling my points to my students. So this way we have to understand what is the requirement of the market and whether we are able to fulfill that requirements from our goods or services. This was my simple stories and example of sales. Thank you for watching the video.